starting with the great name of Allah, who is omnipresent and omnipotent. Welcome to the next lecture of English class 7. It's unit number 2, grammar, page number 11. Nouns. How can we define nouns? Actually, nouns are naming words. The name of a person, place, or a thing is called a noun. Nouns are divided into two main groups, proper nouns and common nouns. Now, how can we define proper noun and common noun? A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, or thing. For example, Adil, Scotland, Blue Band. A common noun is a name shared with everything of the same kind. That is, girl, boy, car, cat. All these are common nouns. Question number A. Divide the following nouns into common nouns and proper nouns. What you have to do? You have to pick out common nouns and proper nouns separately. So in common nouns, the first one is boat, given to you. The second one is box. The third one is leather. The fourth one is boy. The fifth one is ocean. In proper nouns, room is already given. Karachi, Lagos, Delhi, Amsterdam. These are proper nouns. Now, nouns can be divided into concrete, abstract, or collective. Concrete noun is the name given to a material object, anything that you can touch. The name of those things are called concrete nouns. Something you can touch. The name of something you can touch is called a concrete noun. For example, mark, book. You can touch book, you can touch mark. So these are concrete nouns. Abstract noun is the name given to a feeling or quality, something you can't touch, you just feel. So examples are sadness, bravery, courage, politeness. These are abstract nouns. Collective nouns. Collective noun is the name given to a group of people or things. For example, crowd, group of people known as crowd, flock of sheep. These are called collective nouns. Write call beside each collective noun, con beside each concrete noun, and a beside abstract noun. Tom, concrete noun, is a farmer, concrete noun, and works 36 to 365 days. अब यहाँ पे days जो है ये हमारे पास क्या है? Abstract noun है. Of the year, year भी abstract noun है. Because animals, concrete noun, always have to be taken care of. He keeps a herd of cattle. Cattle, collective noun है. That he raises for beef, concrete noun है. As well as a flock of sheep. Flock of sheep, collective noun. He also has a couple of hens, collective noun, which he keeps for eggs, concrete noun. He takes great pride, collective noun, in the products, collective noun, that are produced on his farm, concrete noun. Okay, he takes great pride. Pride यहाँ पर हमारे पास abstract noun है. Take care of it. Pride abstract noun है. In the products हमारे पास collective noun है. That are produced on his farm. Farm is concrete noun. Every morning, morning is abstract noun. He rises early and put on an old pair of valise, collective noun, and his overalls, concrete noun. Before he starts work, abstract noun. Although the work, abstract noun, is difficult, he gets a lot of satisfaction from it. Satisfaction is abstract noun. One of his favorite parts of the job is abstract noun, is the excitement that comes with the sale of his animals, concrete noun. At the mart, concrete noun. Farming is a skill that Tom, concrete noun, learned from his father, concrete noun, and mother, concrete noun. Match each of the following to the correct collective noun in the box. A team of athletes, a choir of singers, a litter of kittens, a herd of cattle, a flock of sheep, a gaggle of geese, a swarm of bees, a shoal of fish, a crew of sailors. Now coming toward the next page, that is word study, page number 12, comprehension. Idioms are interesting description, match the idiom to its meaning. अब यहाँ पे कुछ idioms दी गए हैं, एक साइड पे idioms है, दूसरी साइड पे इसकी meanings हैं, आप लोगों ने वो मैच करने हैं. The first one is already done. Out of the blue means unexpected. A windfall means a win or some luck. In the nick of time means at the last minute. Teach an old dog new tricks means change an older person's ways. A dark horse means person of unknown ability. Question number B. Rewrite the lines from the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon in another way. अब आप लोगों को कुछ sentences दी गई हैं और आपने अपने words में लिखनी है. And gulped some draught from his pocket flagon. He swallowed back a drink from a bottle in his pocket. And little Mouse Blink was strategically mouse hole. Little Mouse Blink hid himself in the hole. But the dragon was a coward. The dragon was not courageous. He went at the pirate like a robin at a worm. He rushed towards the pirate. But Mustard fled with a terrified yelp. Mustard ran away, shouting in terror. Question number C is word structure. Ring the correct spelling of each word. 3 spellings दी गई हैं एक word की, इनमें से आपने सही encircle करना है, ठीक है. Many, first number पर है many, the second one is correct. Second, visitor, the first one is correct. Third, white, the second one is correct. For a love, the second one is correct. Fifth, sad, the first one is correct. Sixth number, woolen, the second one. 7 number, favorite, the second one. 8 number, others, the second one. 9 number, success, the second one. And 10 number, competition, the last one. Okay. Question number D. Think, plan, write. Use the plan and vocabulary to write an essay on the topic My Amazing Pet. यहाँ पे आप लोगों को कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन दी गई है, ठीक है. आप कौन सा पेट पालते हैं, कौन सा एनिमल पालते हैं घर पे, उसकी खुसूसियात क्या है, उसकी ऐसी कौन सी अच्छी खूबियाँ हैं जिसे आप बयान करना चाहते हैं, आप इसे क्यों पालना चाहते हैं, आप उसके बारे में आप क्या मज़ीद जानते हैं, इसके बारे में आपकी फीलिंग्स क्या है, ये सारे आप लोगों ने खुद इस पे लिखना है, ठीक है. 3 पैराग्राफ का आप एक इस टॉपिक पे एक इसे लिखोगे, माय अमेजिंग पेट. यहाँ पे आप लोगों के पास क्लूज हैं, सिर्फ इसे आप लोग एक्सपेंड करोगे. इट्स योर होमवर्क. क्वेश्चन नंबर डी इज योर होमवर्क. क्वेश्चन नंबर ई इज Question number E starts teaser time. So teaser time includes solve the riddle. A father and a son are in a car accident. The father dies instantly and the son is taken to the hospital. One of the surgeons says, I can't operate on him because he's my son. Who is the surgeon? The surgeon is actually the mother of the boy. The surgeon is actually the mother of the boy. Now coming to the third page of this exercise, checkup. Page number, it's page number 13. Question number A, vocabulary. Write the words that match the descriptions. Word beginning with DR. Let's fall, drop. Good for thirst, drink. Terrible, awful, dreadful. Happens in your sleep, dream. Dull, drab. Now words ending with ARD. Send when on holidays, card. Goes well with apple pie, custard. Goes well with beef, mustard. Difficult, hard. Prize given for good work, reward. Question number B is comprehension. Based on information from the tale of the custard the dragon, are these sentences true or false? Custard was a dragon. True. He had daggers in his fingers. False. Ink and blink chased lines. True. Mustard was a brown dog. False. Blinda was afraid of the pirate. True. Blinda lived in a little black house. False. The pirate climbed in the window. True. He fired 10 bullets at Custard. False. The pirate had 2 wooden legs. False. Custard ate the pirate. True. Now, question number C, grammar. Are these nouns collective, abstract or concrete? कुछ nouns दी गए हैं, इनमें से आप लोगों ने concrete, collective और abstract अलग करने हैं. Anjum is concrete, chair is concrete, flock is collective, television is concrete, happiness is abstract, bravery is abstract, coil is collective, mark is concrete, teal is collective, curiosity is abstract. Now, question number D. Underline the 10 errors and write the correction above the error. एक पैराग्राफ दिया गया है, उसमें गलतियां हैं, वो गलतियां निकाल के आप लोगों ने इसकी करेक्शन करनी है. For many years, for का F should be capital. The English market has served the ordinary people of town. English का E should be capital और ordinary का spelling में E की जगह A करना है. In the past, most shoppers were looking, was की जगह were looking for simple food such as meat, fish, vegetables. People haggled with के साथ H नहीं है, WITH. The stall owners in the hope of getting a better deal. Nowadays में W और D के दरमियान A कर ली और days के बाद comma. People like exotic fruits and chocolates, organic meats and vegetables, traditional butchers and fishmongers. The English market provides all of these and much में से in काट दी. More. It's a wonderful place to visit. Now, write all these questions of the exercise work, the grammar work, check-up work and word study work completely in your rough notebook and try to learn it in a better way. Thank you so much.